Okay, our next project, what we're going to do today is we're going to add some handles, replace the draw pulsed handles. We're going to replace it with this. So what I've got here is I've got two kits of two. So one set for the front and one set for the rear doors. So things you're going to need a 8mm open-end wrench, 3mm Allen wrench, a drill bit to go in your drill, and then you're going to need a 27 number 27 Torx. So there's that. And then you'll notice that the handles are water jet cut with the Tusk name on them, so you'd make sure you get the handles on the right side of the vehicle. So okay, let's get started. We're going to take this off, replace this with the handles. So first off, we're going to take this off. And this just slides right off. Okay, so now this is just a aluminum rivet. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill this out. Okay, that comes off like that. Okay, that's got that out. So now, come back here with our Tusk handles. I think I am going to stick those like that. It'll just tuck them inside the door just a little bit farther. Okay, so that's got that. Okay, and we're not going to put the covers back on. They actually send you some stuff, and you can actually cut the rear covers. This is hidden behind the door, so it doesn't matter much. But if you come back in and so much nicer. So that's door one. So now we will go and do door two. That does rub against the back of that here a little bit. I'm not sure. Let's actually take those off and put that on the that's going to lift that away from that frame just a little bit farther so it doesn't scratch it. Okay, now that doesn't rub, so we'll do that on the other side too. That's side one. Okay, back door is a little different than the front door. Rather than just one screw to take out, it's got three, excuse me, rivets, aluminum rivets. You drill these out. And once those are drilled out, this just pops off. Then it's all basically back to the same. So what we're going to do is we're just going to drill this out here. Okay, apparently that melts that pretty good, so don't plan on reusing those. I don't know though, you could reuse those, to be honest with you. So I'm going to go grab channel locks. Okay, so that's off of there. Now, on the last one, I had a really hard time getting this rivet out. So what I did was just took the, looks like somebody's had these, replaced these handles before, because I got rivet pieces inside the door. That's interesting. Anyway, I just took this latch off. Now I can take it inside the shop and get this rivet piece out. I don't know if you want to see that or not, so I'll tell you what, let's walk this way, and I'll see if I can't set you up in here so I can show you what show you how I took this off in here. So, wow, I bet you're getting drunk, you're getting seasick trying to watch that. There's a couple ways you can get this out of here. One way, just take a pair of dikes and just, oh man, it's not gonna be as easy as it says there either. Okay. Cut that off. And just punch that out. That's kind of the easiest way that I've found to do that. So now that's still pretty flat. We'll take these screws, put those back over here. All right, okay, so now what we're gonna do is now we're gonna walk back out here. Whew. See if I can't trip and fall over myself. All right. Oh, the dogs think I'm talking to somebody. Oh, I'm talking to you, right? Like that. That goes on the bottom. Okay. So now, let's go like this. And we're almost done with 4 doors on this machine. So let's put that down in there like that. This goes like this. So now let's see what we can do here. So that's 4 doors done. You saw both doors on the passenger side. What we'll do now is we'll call, that's good. That's a lot accomplished today that needed to be done today. So there's a couple of camera ideas that we've got for the machines, and I might even use one for the tripod. I've got a piece of PVC that we're gonna just drop so we can drop the handheld handles in. Now I need to clean up and put tools away and get ready to take this machine back over to Kevin's and put it away and go from there. All right, we will talk to you later. Have a good one. Join us on the next adventure.